Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this wonderful, unique stuff. The GlareFusion modern, simple copper glass ceiling light. It's available in gold or in a dark finish on the market. We have here modern, simple copper glass ceiling light, crafted to bring refined elegance to our interiors. This ceiling light features a minimalist retro aesthetic with a copper finish and fine glass. Perfect for dining rooms, living areas, or bedrooms. Its warm, glow and polished design offer an effortless upgrade to any contemporary or vintage inspired decor. We have here retro modern blend with luxury copper detailing, premium frosted or clear glass shade option, warm LED lighting for cozy ambience, but you also can replace the bulb if you need it, because it's compatible with a standard E27 bulb basis, or that's a standard, of course, on the European market. Surface mount installation, hardware is included, and CE certified for safety and quality assurance. The upper body is 10 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter. The entire lamp bulb area is 25 centimeter to 17 centimeter. And the total length is up to 29 centimeter if you are going to use the pipe in the center. We have a ceiling light with iron and glass. The base type is E27. The power source is an AC. Voltage is 220-230 voltage. The wattage is 7 watt. The light source is an LED bulb. The color temperature from 3000 up to 6000 K. Lighting area is 10 up to 15 square meter. It's CE certified and the weight is about 1.6 kilogram. You see, that's good for the dining room, living room, bedroom, hallway, entrance area. Where you need it, you can attach it. At GlareFusion, they believe lighting is more than function. It's a form of art that shapes spaces and enriches lives. With a passion for design and innovation, they offer high-quality, eco-friendly lighting solutions that blend style and sustainability. Every product is crafted with a precision and durability in mind, reflecting the commitment to uncompromising quality. They pride ourselves and us on exceptional customer services and a seamless shopping experience. Yeah, we offering there a good bulb carrier system because this is a lamp and this lamp looks really cool, as you can see. It's easy to install or assemble it to our ceiling, of course. Out of the ceiling there should become two wires. One wire is the live line and the other is the neutral line. One is blue, one line should be brown or black. You switch off the switch of this area of the light, and you switch off the fuse, and then you can start. Get first the mount into position by using two screws. Then, of course, dock the cables with the modern simple copper glass ceiling light. And the only thing you have to do then is, of course, switch on the light. And then you can see if you switch it off and switch again on, it will change between cold and warm white option, as you can see. But also, of course, you can replace the bulb and then you can maybe have another source of light as you need it, as you like it. This is the GlareFusion modern simple copper glass ceiling light. In this video I showed you the black version of it. That means we have a darker version. We have it is a little bit darker there. We have not the glass is a little bit smoky, and the entire lamp is of course in a black finish. It's also on the market in gold available. As you lead it, as you like it, you can choose it. Oh yeah, modern simple copper glass ceiling light. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.